Hi, I'm the word historian, and this is the etymology of mesmerize. Hypnosis is something we have all heard about, whether legitimate or not, but what does this have to do with the word mesmerize? Well, stick around to find out. Oh, and most of my viewers are not subscribers, so if you like this video, then like and subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind. Thank you and enjoy the video. First off, mesmerize is defined as to hold the attention of someone to the exclusion of all else, or so to transfix them. But you knew that, didn't you? So where did mesmerize come from? It all starts with Franz Anton Mesmer, born in May 23, 1734. He was a doctor and theorized that everything had a natural energy that transferred between animated and inanimate objects. He called this animal magnetism. Mesmer would sit in front of his patient with both of their knees touching, and he would press their thumbs in his hands. He would then stare into their eyes, and he would move his hands from the patient's shoulders down and along their arms. He then pressed the hypochondrium region, which is the area below the diaphragm, sometimes holding his hands there for hours. Many patients felt peculiar sensations or had convulsions. This was regarded as crises leaving and supposed to bring about the cure. In 1784, King Louis XVII appointed 4 members of the Faculty of Medicine as commissioners to investigate animal magnetism. Soon after the investigation, Mesmer was driven into exile, although his influential student continued to have many followers until his death. Mesmer continued to practice in Switzerland for a number of years and died in 1815. His theory attracted a wide following, and in 1843, James Braid proposed the term hypnosis for a technique derived from animal magnetism. Today, the word mesmerism is interchangeable with hypnosis, and mesmerize is a back formation of mesmerism. In case you didn't know, a back formation is the process of forming a new word by shortening a word. What are your thoughts on mesmerize? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Oh, and ring that bell for notifications. I hope you learned something new. This was the etymology of the word mesmerize. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.